Ever wondered how a clever line of code can transform an entire production line? Imagine a developer, eyes locked onto a flurry of text on multiple screens, fingers dancing over the keyboard. This is where the magic begins. In the heart of an office overlooking the bustling activity of a manufacturing facility, a developer sits, immersed in the task at hand. A sense of purpose and excitement fills the air, the thrill of creating something innovative, something game-changing. The hum of the manufacturing floor below provides a steady rhythm, a reminder of the tangible reality that these digital solutions will impact. Every keystroke, every line of code is a testament to the developer's ingenuity. They're not just writing code, they're creating digital keys that unlock new efficiencies, new possibilities. The code becomes a bridge, connecting the intangible world of software with the physical world of production. The developer's eyes light up, a grin spreads across their face, a breakthrough. They've just created a new algorithm that will streamline the production process, reducing waste and increasing output. It's not just about making things faster or cheaper, it's about redefining what's possible in manufacturing. Suddenly, the code on the screen translates into action on the factory floor. Machines hum with new efficiency, workers move with renewed purpose, and the entire production process seems to breathe easier. It's a symphony of movement and efficiency, all set in motion by the developer's digital solutions. These aren't just hacks, they're transformations. They're the result of a developer's creativity and technical skill, combined with a deep understanding of the manufacturing process. They're about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, about turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. As the developer continues to work, to innovate, the impact of their digital solutions becomes apparent. The manufacturing process becomes smoother, more efficient, more productive. And all of this from a few lines of code in an office overlooking the factory floor. This is the power of digital manufacturing hacks, the ability to transform, to innovate, to create. It's the magic that happens when a developer's imagination meets the hard reality of the manufacturing floor. It's the future of manufacturing happening right here, right now, and it all begins with a single line of code.